video is a tried and tested guide to how you can get a job in UAE, about how I got a job here, etc. So do watch this video till the end. Do we have to come to UAE and apply, or can we apply from our hometowns itself? It's okay, you can come back also. It's not like this is like a once in a lifetime thing. Hi everyone, what's up, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. I hope all of you are doing amazing and are staying safe. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can get a job in UAE. So whether you're planning to come here and get a job in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Ajman, Sharjah, wherever in UAE, then please do watch this video till the end, because this video is a tried and tested guide to how you can get a job in UAE. So if you're helpless and you're clueless about how things work and how you can apply for a job and get a job, this video is definitely going to be helpful for you. Now, the reason I am making this video is because ever since I have come here, it's been I think about 2.5 months. Ever since then, I've been getting so many DMs on Instagram about how did you get a job in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, etc., and how did you apply, like can you tell us a little bit? And I've basically responded to everyone that I could, but I just thought of creating a video, and the next time somebody asks me this question, I'm just gonna share a link of this video to them and be like, hey, watch this video and find out, because literally I've been getting numerous amount of DMs on Instagram. So that's the reason I decided to make this video. And I've also got like a few comments on YouTube as well about, hey, can you tell us how you found a job in UAE, etc., etc. So for those of you who don't know and are new to my channel, I am from Pune, India, and I came here about 3 months back to Abu Dhabi. So now I live in Abu Dhabi and I have a job here. So basically I'm also going to be just in short telling you my experience at the end of this video about how I got a job here, etc. So do watch this video till the end. And if, like I said, if you're new here or if you're old here and you have yet not subscribed to my channel, then please do take a moment, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. It'll really mean a lot to me, because even one subscriber, like one tiny little subscriber wherever you are watching in this world, is super important for me to grow my channel. So please subscribe to this channel. So the number one question that everybody has in their mind, and even which I had in my mind before I started applying for jobs in UAE, was, do we have to come to UAE and apply? Like, do we have to be there and apply physically, or can we apply from our hometown itself, right? That's like the biggest query that everybody has. So the answer to that I will be giving you in the second half of the video. But before that, let me just tell you like generic steps that you can sort of do. Like, so whether you're in UAE and applying, or even if you're in your hometown and applying, these steps that I'm going to be mentioning are applicable to both the scenarios. So yeah, let's just jump right into the steps. So step number one is your CV, right? So you need to have a well-made CV to apply for a job anywhere in the world, not just UAE. But so UAE has a specific, so every region has a specific CV format. Okay, so like in the same way, even in UAE we have a specific CV format, which I will be like linking down in the description below. It's nothing very complicated. It's just a normal CV where you have your photo on the top left corner and your information and everything on the right hand side. So I'm going to be linking it in the description, so you can just click on that and directly go and start making your CV. So I just have like a few tips. I'm not going to get into the details of how you can make a perfect CV, etc. Like there are like number of videos on YouTube which you can check out, but if I get into the details, then this video will be like super long. So I'm just going to give you a few tips. So I would suggest you to click a good picture for your CV. Like you don't need to like spend like money and go to a studio or anything. You can just wear like your formal clothes, etc., and just do like a very small photo shoot at home. Like ask somebody to take a picture of you, or just take your phone, place it on a tripod and click some good pictures, because honestly that's the first impression that you're forming. When a recruiter is looking at you for the very first time, it's going to be on your CV in that small sized picture on the top left corner, right? So you need to look professional. Don't get me wrong, it's not about like looks or anything. It's just about looking decent and professional. So you can do that, and you can also go to a studio and get like a few pictures shot, like whatever you're comfortable with. Also, just keep your CV short and crisp. Like, don't keep it extremely long. I know people who have like 3 or 4 pages of CVs, and it's really weird because I don't think any recruiter has the time to sit reading so much information, because there's like a huge list of people that are waiting to, like, get a job in their company, right? So don't fill in too much information, just a few lines of each experience that you have. Keep it short, crisp, to the point, and let your CV be like a maximum of 2 pages, not more, or less than that to 1 page, of course. Like, 1 page is perfect, but if not, then at least like a maximum of 2 pages, not more than that. So step number 2 is, I'm sorry, I'm just looking into my other phone and reading because I have everything prepared, like written here in my phone. So step number 2 is job search websites. Okay, so there are a number of job search websites over here, like how in India we have naukri.com, internshala.com, etc. So even here there are like a number of job search websites. For example, one of the most famous ones over here is Dubizzle. It's extremely famous in Dubai. And of course, LinkedIn is like the #1 platform for finding a job here in UAE. You have to have a LinkedIn profile. Then we also have Naukri Gulf. There is also Indeed.com. There is also Bayut.com and Bait.com also. There's a lot, and don't worry, I'll be putting in all these links in the description box below, so you can directly go and register yourself on these portals. You don't have to search anywhere. Like, you can just go in the description box below. So what you have to do is, like, let's say there are I think there are about 8 or 10 of these job search websites. Just click on them and go create your profile on these websites. Okay, it's not very difficult. You just need to go fill in your information, what you do, your past experience, work experience, and you can also upload a copy of your CV. You can attach a copy of your CV on these profiles, and once you're done with preparing your profile, just keep applying on different jobs. Okay, not different job, different companies. They keep updating different job listings, etc. So you can just keep a look on that. Like, turn on your notification, download all these apps on your phone as well, and wherever you are, like, even if you're out somewhere and you're bored, just take your phone and just sit directly applying. That's what I used to do. Like, it really helps. So download all these applications on your phone also. Like, I think Dubizzle has an application. LinkedIn, of course, you do have on your phone, and a few other apps also. I think Indeed also has an application. So download all these on your phone and also on your PC. Just spend the entire day to just sit applying on all these websites, and you'll definitely get a response from somewhere. So another thing that I wanted to discuss in detail is about LinkedIn. Okay, now LinkedIn is literally, like I mentioned to you, it's one of the leading websites for finding a job here in UAE. So get onto LinkedIn if you're not, and if you already are, then please update your profile. There are a lot of groups on LinkedIn, like job searches in UAE, etc. Join these groups and keep applying when these people are posting different jobs on LinkedIn. Connect with people similar to your field. Just have good connections. Don't just connect with any random people. Okay, just have good connections and keep your profile like nice and updated. On LinkedIn, you can also reach out to recruiters, create a standard message template that you can send out to them on LinkedIn, and yeah. Okay, so number 3 is Facebook groups. Okay, now there are a lot of groups on Facebook. For example, job searches in UAE, or jobs in Abu Dhabi, jobs in Dubai. There are a lot of groups like that which you can join, and every day they keep posting some or the other job postings along with their email ID and their number. So you can directly email them, or you can click on the link. If they're mentioning any link, you can click on that and go and apply on their company website as well. So join these Facebook groups. It will definitely help you guys out. Okay, now step number 4 is writing emails. Okay, now this is a step which not a lot of people may speak to you about, because this is something that I also figured out myself. So what you can do is, like in the previous step, like I mentioned, you need to apply on different job websites. Now what you can do is, like, once you're done applying on different in different companies on these job websites, like throughout the day, what you can do is, at the end of the day, just make a list of where you've applied. So let's say I've logged on to Indeed.com today and I see a job listing in so and so company, and I have directly applied through the portal. Okay, what you can do is like just write down the name of that particular company on an Excel sheet or on a notepad, whatever, and like that you need to do that for all the companies that you're applying in the day. Okay, and once that's done, probably at the end of the day or maybe the next morning, you can send out personal emails to all these companies that you've applied on the previous day through these job portals. So you can find out their emails on their website, their personal website, and just send them an email. So you can take an email, like create like a small template, a standard template that you can send across to all these companies. For example, hi, my name is so and so, I have whatever experience, and I would love to apply to your esteemed organization, etc., etc. Just get a template from Google. You will find like number of templates and just change a few things here and there, and attach your CV. Don't forget to attach your CV in the mail and send this across to all those companies that you're applying through the portal. So like that, you're kind of reminding the recruiter or the company that, hey, pick me, okay, like I'm mailing you plus I'm applying on the portal, so hello, I'm here, so that's basically like a way of, let's say, retargeting or remarketing, whatever in the digital world we call that remarketing. So it's a way of doing that. So that can definitely help you out. Step number 5 is one of the most like asked queries and question that a lot of people have, which even I had, is do we have to come to UAE and apply, or can we apply from our hometowns itself, right? So I would definitely suggest you to come to UAE and apply when you're like physically present here. But at the same time, I would also say that you can apply from your hometown as well. So it's not like आपके hometown में बैठ के अगर आप apply करोगे यहाँ पे आपको job नहीं मिलेगी, because I actually got a job staying in India itself. Okay, so I'll speak more about that soon, right now in the video itself. But before that, let me just tell you guys. So about the visa, UAE provides you a 2-month visit visa, like a maximum of 2-month visit visa. So if at all you plan on coming here, you have to come on a visit visa itself, right? So you can stay here only for 2 months. Okay, so you literally have just 2 months in your hand. Initially, this process, like the visa was for 3 months. UAE used to provide 3 months visa, visit visa, but now they have cut it short to just 2 months. So 2 months is like really less for someone to find a job over here. So what I would suggest you is like book your ticket. Okay, book your ticket of so and so date for 2 months, get your visa done, everything. And before your date, like before you are planning to come here, like about a month before that, start applying from your hometown itself, which is what I did, and it really helped me out because I got a job within that 1 month of starting to apply from my hometown itself. Okay, so I had already booked my ticket, my visa and everything was already in process, and during that 1 month before coming here, I started registering myself on all these job portals and everything. So whatever steps I told you in this video, I had started doing that from India itself in like 1 month before, so thankfully, luckily, and with the grace of God, touch wood, I got the job over here in Abu Dhabi in that 1 month. Okay, now this may not necessarily happen to everyone in the world, because I know there are a lot of people who try for months and months and yet don't get a job, and people just try for 2 or 3 days and get a job within like 2-3 days. Okay, so it has a lot to do with luck, with how things are, the situation, everything. So like I said, book your date, book your ticket, plan on coming here, plan everything. If you have a relative staying over here, well and good, you have the housing and everything to take care of. If you don't have anybody staying here, then there are like a lot of accommodation things over here. Like you have sharing accommodations where there are a lot of people who live in like shared apartments, etc. So you can check that out as well. But be prepared financially to come here for 2 months, because you need to look after your food, your your rent, your staying and everything, and so you need to be prepared for that as well. If you're applying from your hometown for a month, then you still don't get a job, you come to UAE, you spend 2 months, you still don't get a job, it's okay. Okay, you can come back also. It's not like this is like a once in a lifetime thing. Of course, this is very subjective for different people, because it depends on, not a lot of people can keep affording to come to a country and keep applying. So either you prepare, like you make up your mind कि मेरे पास सिर्फ 2 ही महीने हैं and in these 2 months I have to give it my best, like it's now or never. Or either you come here for 2 months, try your best, and in case you're not able to find a job in those 2 months, you can always go back to your country, apply for a visa again, and then come here. Okay, so there are like multiple options, but honestly you will find a job, man. Like I think if you have the skills, if you have the experience, or even if you don't have a lot of experience, it's fine. If you're skilled enough and if you have if you're talented enough, you will find a job here within 2 months or even less than that, so don't worry. Another common question that a lot of people have is, when is the best time to come to UAE and apply? Okay, so I would suggest you to come anytime during like October, or probably like September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, and until like March or April. Okay, so these 6 or 7 months is a pretty good time to apply. The reason I'm telling you not to come after like April to like August or September is because it's super hot within these few months. So if you're planning to come now, please guys, do not come now. Please book your tickets after September, because trust me, it's super hot. This is the Middle East, okay? The sun is like right above your head as soon as you step out of your door. So it's really not possible to come here and like in case you have an interview, you literally it'll get very difficult for you to travel from one company to another, from your home to a company in this heat. Okay, so be practical. Please think about the weather. I know sitting out there you guys will be like, तो क्या हुआ, धूप ही तो है, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. जो यहाँ पे रहता है उसी को समझता है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी है यहाँ पे, एंड द सन इज़ लाइक really harsh. Also, when I was doing my research before coming here, I was watching a lot of videos where on YouTube where people were saying that do not go to UAE during Ramadan. Like Ramadan is in March and April usually, so a lot of people were like Ramadan ke time hiring nahi hota hai, like people don't hire much during Ramadan, and I had actually booked my ticket during like March end itself, so it was right in the middle of Ramadan time. But on the contrary, I did get a job during Ramadan itself, and I started my job over here while Ramadan was going on. So I don't think that is true. I think you can apply during Ramadan as well. So that is also one of the questions that a lot of people have. Just don't come during the summers. Otherwise, even during Ramadan, like March, April, it's fine. You can come here and apply. So these are the basic steps, guys, that I told you. One bonus step or one bonus tip that I want to share with you all is have a lot of patience. Okay, finding a job here is not the easiest, because there are like millions of people who, not millions, thousands, whatever, I don't know, but there are a lot of people who come here to UAE, especially Dubai and Abu Dhabi, on a daily basis in search of a job. Okay, if you come here, you will find most of the people from different countries, that there are very few locals here from who are from UAE, because everybody is coming from out to find jobs over here, because there are so many opportunities and people are like literally waiting to hire people. Okay, so like there's a lot of competition over here is what I'm trying to say. So you need to have a lot of patience. It's not like if you apply today, you will get a call back tomorrow, or you'll get a call back in a week. It may even take 2 weeks, it may even take 3 weeks, you never know. So please have patience and do not lose hope, and just do your part. Whatever steps I've mentioned to you in this video, just do that. So that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope I could solve whatever queries that you guys have had in your mind. I'm really sorry if I missed out on anything in this video, because like whatever I could think of on the top of my head, I just told you guys. But if you have any doubts or any queries, please do leave your comments in the comment section. I promise I will reply to each and every one of you. So yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel if I could help you out at least a little bit, and do check out my other videos on my YouTube channel, and I will be coming up soon with videos, and this is my promise to be regular. I know I keep promising that, but the life here is super busy, and by the time the weekend comes, you just want to like sleep and relax, because you're literally working from like morning 8 to evening 8. You're out of the house on the weekdays. So but I'm gonna try my best to be regular and upload a video at least every weekend. So please do stay tuned, and do give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, please take care, stay safe, and bye.